What if I told you you're more attractive than you think? Not in a motivational way, but in a real psychological sense. Because most people completely underestimate how attractive they are, and without realizing it, they ignore the signs. In this video, I'll show you 5 clear signs that prove you're more attractive than you think. Intro. This isn't about ego. This is about awareness. Because when you understand how people actually respond to you, you start seeing yourself differently. Let's begin. Number 1. People look at you, then look away. Have you ever noticed this? Someone looks at you, then quickly looks away when you notice. At first, it feels random, but psychologically, it's not. This is one of the most common signs of attraction. When someone finds you interesting or attractive, they naturally look at you. But the moment eye contact happens, they look away. Why? Because attraction creates nervousness, and nervousness makes people avoid being caught. This is especially true in public places, school, work, gym, social gatherings. So if you often catch people looking at you, then quickly looking away, that's not coincidence, that's attention. And attention is the first stage of attraction. Number 2. People remember small details about you. Think about this. Do people remember things about you that you didn't even think were important? Like something you said casually, a small habit, your preferences. This is a strong psychological signal because people only remember details when they're mentally invested. Your brain filters out most information, but when someone is interested in you, they pay attention. They store information because you matter to them. So if people remember small things about you, it means you've made an impression, and that's a key sign of attraction. Number 3. People get nervous or awkward around you. Attraction isn't always smooth. Sometimes it looks like awkwardness. If someone struggles to maintain conversation, acts slightly different around you, gets nervous or shy, it doesn't always mean they dislike you. In many cases, it means the opposite. Because when someone is attracted to you, they become self-aware. They start overthinking. What should I say? How do I look? Am I acting weird? This creates pressure, and that pressure shows up as awkward behavior. So if people act a little different around you, don't assume it's negative. It might be attraction. Number 4. People try to get your attention. This one is very common, but often ignored. People who are attracted to you will try to get your attention, but not always directly. It can be subtle. They walk past you more often. They join conversations you're in. They react more to what you say. They try to be noticed. Why? Because attraction creates a desire to connect, but not everyone has the confidence to approach directly. So instead, they position themselves around you, hoping you notice them. If you start seeing the same people around you often, it's not always coincidence. Sometimes it's intentional. Number 5. People treat you differently. This is the most important sign. When you're attractive, people treat you differently. They're more friendly, more helpful, more interested. They smile more, they listen more, they give you more attention. This is known in psychology as the halo effect, where attractive individuals are automatically perceived more positively. People assume you're more interesting, more likable, more valuable, even without knowing you deeply. So if you notice people being naturally nicer to you, that's not random, that's perception. And perception is influenced by attraction. Recap. Let's lock this in. People look at you, then look away. People remember small details about you. People get nervous or awkward. People try to get your attention. People treat you more positively. These are not guesses. These are behavioral signals. Ending. Here's the truth. Attraction isn't always obvious. It's subtle. It shows up in behavior, not words. And most people miss it because they don't see their own value. But once you start noticing these signs, your confidence changes. Not because you're pretending, but because you're aware.